Come test drive the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.